we'll guide you through how to write in big text on Discord. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get started. Firstly, open up Discord either on a computer or a phone or whatever platform you want to use. It could be web as well. Then go to a text channel or just a message where you want to go and start using the big text. So for example, I want to do it in this chat here. As you can see, I've actually already done it. So all you need to do is click on the text box and you need to go onto your keyboard and press the hashtag button. So that is the hashtag there. Some keyboards may not have it. If they don't, all you need to do is open up a web browser and search for hashtag, and then you can just go and highlight it and right click it and press copy. Then come back to Discord and you can right click and press paste, and there it is. And then after you put the hashtag in, you need to make a single space just like so, and then you just type in what you want to be big and bold. So I could go and type in example just like this, and that's literally all you need to do. Then just press enter and send the message as normal, and the text is now big and bold. And as I said, you can do this on all different types of devices. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.